around all week long.
A lot of it relies on an iPhone app. My parents are on Android.
This is a major problem for seniors.
In video diaries, frustrated Americans sound off about trying to get a coveted COVID-19 vaccine.
I was very excited.
We joined 4 families as they search for shots in Georgia, California, Florida, and New York.
So I'm just leaving work. I'm heading to go get my COVID vaccination, and I'm getting a little emotional.
Emotional for 32-year-old Caitlin Hickey. COVID took her father.
I lost my dad in April.
How has this affected your entire family?
It's devastating. I'm the youngest of 6 kids. I have 14 nieces and nephews. My parents were married for 43 years. He was like the rock of our family.
As a kindergarten teacher, Caitlin had priority and quickly got her first dose with the help of her teachers' union. Ask your union or employer if they have a plan to get you a shot. Many of us will be on our own.
It reminded me of signing up for concert tickets or, reservations at a fancy restaurant, except this is a life and death situation.
In California, the Waugh family wasn't so sure they'd be able to secure a shot for Vanessa's 82-year-old mom, Sylvia.
My husband helped my mom sign up.
How did they do it? First, make sure you're eligible. Search your state or county name and the words COVID-19 vaccine for links to public agencies. Some ask you to register so they can send you an alert when it's your turn. That worked for the Waughs.
She received an email saying that her registration had been accepted and that she could sign up for an appointment.
6 days later, Sylvia got her shot.
Oh, I feel great. I'm very happy to get the shots.
Blair Knight Graves had trouble booking an appointment for her 76-year-old step-grandfather in Florida.
Every single time that we log on, the website crashes right when it goes live.
Her 80-year-old grandma Brooke lucked out, and the family managed to snag her an appointment online. Gary, who has pre-existing conditions, still couldn't get one.
We've been trying to get Gary vaccinated for 3 or 4 weeks.
But the family didn't give up.
My daughter and son-in-law have spent a lot of time trying to get us vaccinated in 6 different counties.
After weeks of calling, Gary got an appointment. Last week, Gary and Brooke stood in line for 3 hours, but it was worth it. Gary finally got his shot. Lesson: persistence and patience pay off. Call your local health department and know it could take hours to get through. You can also call 211 or 311. They're free and available in many U.S. cities. A live person will answer. If you haven't found success, you're not alone. Millions of others are still trying.
It's been entirely too complicated.
Due to overwhelming demand, we are currently booked and are unable to make additional appointments at this time.
In North Georgia, Julie Stobie still can't get through to book an appointment for her husband, herself, or her 95-year-old mom, who they care for.
I tried probably in the course of a week close to 1,000 times.
You tried calling 1,000 times?
Yes, between my desk phone and my cell phone at the same time sometimes. I did get through once, and it rang for 2.5 hours, and then it cut me off.
How can you increase your chances of getting a vaccine appointment? Call your primary care doctor. Ask to get on their vaccine wait list if they're offering the shots. Check with local pharmacies and clinics near you, and download the apps from major pharmacy chains. They'll alert you when it's available. Be sure to book an appointment. Most are not accepting walk-ins. Help for you in the hunt for that life-changing shot. For the news, I'm Vicki Nguyen.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.